Hello everyone. In this video, we will see the problem of detecting a counterfeit coin. So counterfeit coin means a coin which is not original coin. It's fake coin. So in our problem, you are given a 16 coins of bag and told that one of these coins may be counterfeit. So you have 16 coins and you have to find whether is there any counterfeit coin present or not. There may be one counterfeit coin or maybe all the coins are original. There is one clue, that is you are told that counterfeit coin are lighter than genuine one. That means counterfeit coin is slightly less heavy than original coin. So our task is to determine whether the bag contains a counterfeit coin. In addition to this task, you have a machine that compares the weights of two sets of coins and tells you which set is lighter or whether both sets have the same weight. So the problem is to find whether the counterfeit coin is present or not in given bag by using weight machine, where counterfeit coin will be lighter than genuine coin. So suppose these are the 16 given coins in a bag, then we can find the counterfeit coin by comparing one coin with another. We can compare the weights of coin 1 and coin 2. If coin 1 is lighter than coin 2, then coin 1 is counterfeit coin and we are done with our task. And if coin 2 is lighter than coin 1, then coin 2 is counterfeit coin. If both coins have the same weight, then both coin 1 and coin 2 are genuine coins. So there are three possibilities. First coin may be lighter. If not, then second coin may be lighter, or else both coins may have same weight. If both coins have the same weight, we will compare third and fourth coin. Again, if one coin is lighter, a counterfeit coin has been detected and we are done. If not, we will compare coins 5th and 6th. Again, if one coin is lighter, a counterfeit coin has been detected and we are done. If not, we will compare coins 7 and 8. So in this way, we can determine whether the bag contains a counterfeit coin by making at most 8 comparisons. So in worst case, we have to compare at least 8 times to check whether counterfeit coin is present or not. That means if counterfeit coin is either 15th coin or 16th coin, then we require 8 comparisons, and even if there is no counterfeit coin in the bag, then also we require 8 comparison to find out this. This process of finding the counterfeit coin is time consuming. So there is another approach to find the counterfeit coin, by using divide and conquer strategy. So as per given problem, there are 16 coins. So we can divide that coins in two groups. So now each group, or you can say set of coins, contains 8 coins each. Suppose we consider first 8 coins as A and last 8 coins as B. Now we have to find whether set A or set B has a counterfeit coin. For this, we use our machine to compare the weights of the coin sets A and B. If both sets have the same weight, then a counterfeit coin is not present in the 16 coins bags. If A and B have different weights, a counterfeit coin is present, and it is in the lighter set. So here, with only one comparison, we can find whether the counterfeit coin is present or not. Now we will try to find out where exact counterfeit coin is present, or whether it is present or not. So the given 16 coins we have divided into two separate groups, that is A and B. Now we will compare the weight of group A with group B. So whichever group contains lesser weight will have counterfeit coin. If both the sets have the same weight, then there is no counterfeit coin. So suppose we consider that in set A there is one counterfeit coin. That means A set has lesser weight than B. So then from set A, again we will divide that group into two separate parts. Suppose the first name is A1 and second one is A2. So now in A1 there are 4 coins, and in A2 there are again 4 coins. So now we will compare A1 with A2. So whichever group has lesser weight, there will be a counterfeit coin. So suppose A2 has less weight than A1, then the counterfeit coin will be present in A2. So now there are 4 possibilities, that is either 5th, 6th, 7th or 8th coin will be a counterfeit coin. So again A2 we will divide into two separate groups. So A2A, that will be our first group, and A2B, that will be the second group. So again same task we have to repeat. So we will compare the first set with second. So whichever has lesser weight, there will be a counterfeit coin present. So suppose we consider that in A to B there is a counterfeit coin. So again that group we will divide into two separate groups, and then we will compare that two coins, and depend on which coin has lesser weight, we will get to know whether, which one is counterfeit coin. So here suppose 7th coin has less weight, then 7th coin is the counterfeit coin. Else if 8th coin has lesser weight, then coin number 8 will be a counterfeit coin. So in this way we can find out whether in a given bag counterfeit coin is present or not. So if you see in first general method, 8 comparison were required for the 16 coin bags. But here at maximum only 4 comparisons are required to check whether a counterfeit coin is present or not.